This is Jeff Williford with UTTylerPatriots.com here with junior William Allen, sophomore Billy Lyerly, after a 12-2 win over Ozarks to start off a three-game series. William, we're going to start with you, man. You were 4 for 6 tonight, 3 RBIs. Yeah, I think the guys gave you the game MVP. Tell me how it feels. It's your first year with the Patriots.
It felt good. I saw the ball really well tonight, and I was just trying to take advantages of the RBI opportunities, and the ball is falling right for me tonight.
You transferred here from TJC, played for the great Doug Wren. Hopefully he's watching this. What's it like to kind of come across town here to play for the Patriots, coming from a pretty big winning tradition?
Yeah, TJC, I loved TJC. It was a lot of fun, a lot of good baseball, but I wanted to stay around town, and I know UT Tyler is a great, has great facilities and a great program, so I decided to play here, and I'm really enjoying it.
All right, coming to Billy now, the reigning ASC Conference co-hitter of the week. Billy, you've been on a tear lately. Tell me, what's it like? Does baseball look like a beach ball out there, or what?
Yeah, similar to Will. It's been pretty nice. Seeing the ball very well. Swing feels very good, and the ball's just landing where you want it to be every single time.
Talk about Ozarks. We were talking. It was 12-2. You guys got a lot of hits. Pretty important to come out here and win these 3 games. Am I right? You know, you don't want to lose games where it looks like you should be winning.
Yeah, Jeff. It's really important for us to get as many wins as we can, especially against teams where we know we have the upper hand and we have confidence. There's a few teams in front of us right now in the ASC East, and the more wins, the better we are in the future, especially for come conference tournament time.
All right, we have a little segment we call the Inside Swoop. It's like behind the scenes. Some of the players were telling us that on road trips, you guys room together, and not only room together, you sleep together. William, does this guy snore or what? Give us the inside swoop on that.
No, actually, he's a pretty good, I guess, bed partner. He he kind of stays to his side and state of mind. It's hard to get good sleep on the road, but he makes it a little better.
Any rebuttal to that?
Yeah, he was a pretty good sleep partner. I think last time I kicked him around a little bit. He complained about that in the morning. But other than that, we have a good time in our room. We have a good time on the road.
See, we give you the things that you don't normally see for all the fans at home. If you want to follow William and Billy, you can go to UTTylerPatriots.com. Thanks a lot, guys.